Welcome to Wiha Wednesday. I'm Wade from Product Development.
I'm Dan from the sales.
Today we're going to introduce our latest line of wire strippers and cutters. We're introducing 6 new products that are made in USA. They're made from USA tool steel, black oxide finish, painted on numbers, red comfort handles, and are backed by the Wiha no hassle guarantee.
Hey, Wade, how are these tools made?
These tools are made on dedicated equipment that is only specifically made and created to cut each individual pliers to ensure that the precision is there and the product is the best product we have. Wiha 57810 ergonomic super stripper. Pliers nose for working small nuts and pulling wire. Precision ground stripping stations. 10 to 18 gauge solid wire. 12 to 20 gauge stranded wire. Long curved cutter, holes in jaw for looping wire, lock mechanism, curved ergonomic handle, and a return spring. Wiha 57812 up front cutter, crimper, and stripper. Anvil type wire cutter at nose. Curved cutter reduces force while cutting wire with less fatigue, capable of cutting Romex in a single stroke. Screw cutter holes positioned at pivot for more leverage and ease in shearing screws. Strips 18 to 22 gauge wire. Crimps insulated and non-insulated 10 to 22 gauge connectors. Wiha 57814 5-in-1 combination tool. Strips, crimps, cuts wire, cut screws, pulls wire, and loops wire. Strips 10 to 22 gauge wire. Crimps 16 to 22 gauge connectors and 7 to 8 millimeter automotive connectors. Cuts up to 10 gauge wire. Cut screws from 440 to 1024 size. Plier head to pull wire, and loops and pulls up to 10 gauge wire. Wiha 57816 stripper cutter. This is a low profile and a short handle length. Scissor style cutter positioned deep in the tool jaw for maximum leverage. Strips 10 to 20 gauge wire, hardened steel pivot, and a stay in place spring. Wiha number 57818 ergonomic super stripper. Has a pliers nose for working small nuts and pulling wire. Precision ground stripping station, 12 to 30 gauge solid wire, 22 to 32 gauge stranded wire. Long curved cutter, holes in jaw for loop and wire, lock mechanism, curved ergonomic handle, and a return spring. Wiha 57820 Romex stripper cutter. Cuts and strips Romex style wire, stripping both the external jacket and internal jackets without nicking the wire core. For 12-2 and 14-2 style Romex cable. Precision ground stripping stations. Pliers nose for working small nuts and pulling wire. Cut 632 and 832 screws, and a return spring for fast action and ease of use.
For all electricians out there, here's our new line of wire strippers. Thanks for joining us. I'm Dan.
I'm Wade.
Have a good day.